number 9, dribbling the ball. Side step, lays up, bakit for 2, AO picks to the middle, picks, spikes, bundles, and fire, and finally nakascore. And number 5, straight plays, bakit and 1. Ramos, tinasa na naman, ang ganda na namang pasa. So, idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa Ilocos Norte Intertown, The Vince Cup Season 2 para sa laban ng Banna at Nueva Era. For the jump ball, and his first ball possession for Team Banna, number 9. Oops, it's stolen. And his Team Nueva Era. And the bounce pass to the corner. Floater won't go. Rebound. That's number 2 for Team Banna. To the corner. For 3. Bang! And number 5, pull up jumper to the corner. Won't go. Number 9, rebound. Ramos for Banna. And number 9, dribbling the ball. Side step, lays up, bakit for 2, 8-2 nothing. And here's number 21, pass to the middle. Number 5, Laluca to the corner, below picks to the middle, picks, spikes, bundles, and fire. And finally nakascore. And here's Ramos to the corner, stop, pull up jet 3, bang! Again! Ramos for 3. Bang! 3 points! Number 0 for Nueva Era. Natapikan. It is number 21. Drives to the hoops. Floater off the window bucket. 15 to score. Stop. Rounds for 3. Won't go. Rebound. Put back off. Deep. Pass it for 2. Oh! Pinalusot sa ilalim. Tinasa pa. Pass. Oh my foul. Inside step. Natapikan. And a pass break. Number 9. Lays up. Wow, lucky bounce. Ram. Step. Kicks out. 1 bounce. Pull up jumper. Wala pa rin. Ang alat. And number 6. Oneri to the corner. Drives. Far. So palpal. That's number 10. And his pass. Oh, gandang pasa. Pass. Wala. Keeps in. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Kicks. Spins. Kicks out. And attacks. Side step. Pinilit. No basket. For the backdoor inbound. Oh! My foul. And 7-20 score. To the corner. Babalik. Pass to the middle na agawan. And number 5, straight plays, bucket and 1. Setting the play, number 6 for the Banna. Sinapikan na agawan, oops. And here's you go, pinitbit, easy bucket all the way. Kicks out, number 6, oops. And almost, and stolen pass break na naman. Oop, ang lakas na naman. Oop, step, wala, short. Rebound, number 10, wala pa rin. Kag-rebound na yung magkasama. And here's number 21. Tinasa. Number 10. Si bucket sa wakas. Baseball pass. Eksakto yun ah. Lumusot. Pasok yan by number. Temperada. Stop. Kicks out. Number 12. Pass on the inside. Natapikan. Pass break na naman. 21 pass. Too short. Up na agawan. Number 34. Foul and a basket and 1. Here's number 0. Loses the ball, recover. 15 seconds shoot. 4-3. Nagulat. Tiniglo sa 3. Guillermo. Pinasa sa loob. Basket and 1. Nagagado. Guillermo. Tatapikan. Pass break. Oops. And good. Floater. Easy bucket. And number 9, Ramos. Oh, ang gandang pasa! Oh! Nueva Era, long pass. Number 5. Here's the hoop. Plays. Oh, bakit? And it's number 10. Holds the ball. Pass it back. Ramos. Pinasa na naman. Ang ganda na namang pasa. And number 15. Pasa sa gitna. Floater. Bakit for 2? 21.
Number 21, crossover.
Wait, pinasa ka number 30.
Number 30.
Pass to the corner, pass back. Floater.
Number 2, pinasa kay number 14 ngayon.
Number 14.
Costa.
Pinasa pa ako sa gitna. Floater, wala.
Number 9.
Huling-huli ka. Bring the ball number 30 to number 5. Number 5, attract. Pass inside, nice find and finish. And 2-point lead na ngayon, number 10. Turner. Atake. Pass, bucket for 2 of the back to 4-point lead. And pass to the middle. 30. Pass inside. Halong pass. Oh, too strong. Baseball pass. Nauna na. So, 6-point lead. And number 30. Pass to the corner for 3. Off the mark. Rebound. Put back off the glass. Number 14, Costo. To the corner.
Pasa kay number 10.
Number 10, pipilit. Atake sa gitna. Kicks to the corner. Bars. And in and out and in. And a pass break. Number 21. No look pass. Fires. Pasok yan.
Last
15 seconds. Number 2, side step. Tuloy-tuloy. Oh, pasok yan. And number 5 seconds. Pass to number 34. Nakagawan pa. Plays. Oh, at the buzzer. That's winners number 28 to the middle number 9.
by number 2.
Pass to the middle number 2. Fading away of the glass. Wala.
Rebound by number 21.
21. Waiting for his teammate. Number 21. Umatake. No hesitation late. Supalpal. Number 10 drives. Spins. Uy, supalpal manan. Supalpal. Crossover number 10. Pass on the inside. 34. Supalpal na naman.
Number 35.
Hook shot. Pasok yan. Number 10. Pass on the inside. Saliw. Pass off the glass. Bucket for 2. And the crossover. Number 21 fakes.
Takes a three.
And drives. Stops. Bounce pass. Spins. Number 10. Bounce pass 34 lays. Pasok yan. Bucket for 2. Wala pa rin.
Number 28. Pass break.
Number 9. Number 9. Lays all the way to the hoops. Bucket for 2. And the bounce pass. Number 21. Cross pass to the middle. Pass back. Fakes. Attacks. Corner shot. No good. Rebound. Number 19 to the middle. To number 19. Wild open for 3. Bang! Nothing but the net. One. Long pass. Number 15 all the way. Oh! Grabe.
Number 10 ngayon. Paksa kay
And it's number 9.
Abbas.
Kicks out. Wild open for 3. Short.
Rebound by number 5. Pinasa kay number 10.
Back pass. And here's Nueva Era. Again, wild takes for 3. Bang! 3! Door inbound. Kicks out. Oy! Smart play. Ramos spins.
Wanang bola.
Sa gitna.
Number 7 ngayon.
Natapikan. Backdoor inbound. And number 7. Stops. Pass to the middle. Number 10. 10 says shoot.
7 ngayon.
Number 7. Fires to Palpal. And he's corner for 3. Bang!
Ngayon, Galinato.
And it's number
Pinasa kay
30.
number 28.
Back to 6-point lead tayo. Side step. Fires. Short. Rebound. Put back. Wala pa rin. And Ramos. Pass it to number 29. Race base lace. Bucket for 2. 30. Fix. Number 21. Cross pass. Pinasa kay coach. Pinasa kay coach. And it's number 29.
Number 28.
Side crossover. Spins. Fernando. Pinilit. Won't go. Put back shot of the glass. Power move. And drives. Pass on the inside. Far short. And the rebound. Pa rin. And pinasa number 9 Ramos. Binit-bit lays. Wala. Rebound. Put back. Basket and 1 ang gusto. 5 seconds. Yup. Natapikan. Nauna tinignan yung yung oras. Lace. Oh! Wala pa rin. And to the wicket number 10. 4-3. Bang! 3 points. Baseball cast. Bigs cast. Supalpal. And it's number 34. Number 10. And it's number 10. Crossover. Side step. It's Bigs. Stops. Pull up J. Bucket. It's number 9 to number 10. For Nueva Era. Number 5 for 3. Bang! Bumalik! For the backdoor inbound. Looking for the receiver. Kicks to the middle. Number 9 Ramos. All the way up. Natapagan. Bounce pass. Number 5. Number 5 to the corner for 3. Short. Rebound. Number 7 to number 9. Long. Bigs. Fernando. To the middle. Request spin. Floater of the window. Bucket for 2. Then for Nueva Era. Oops, natapikan again. Stolen. Ramos. And all the way, no hesitation, easy back. 10-point lead for Nueva Era. Number 10. Number 19. Number 21. Long 3. Bang! And to the corner. Pass on the inside. Alley-oop pass. Too strong. Oy! Hindi ko alam kung sino. For the backdoor inbound. Timban na. Tinapik ang bola looking for the receiver. And a pass on the inside. Oh! What a play! And here you go. And holding the ball. Pass sa gitna. Number 10 to Ramos. And number 29 wide open for 3. Bang! 3 point! And dribbling the ball. Bounce pass. Number 21. Number 21. Number 19 to number 21. Kicks out. Tumatake. Kicks out. Number 19 for 3. Short. Rebound. Number 34. Far off the glass. Bucket for 2. 58-70 score natin. And still up by 12. Ang timban na. Side step. Pass inside. Kicks out. Number 55 to the middle. Fakes. And attacks. Kicks out. And it's 5 seconds to shoot. Number 55 all the way off the window. Bucket. Bounce pass. And the one. Oop. Sumira sa likod ng ring. Bounce pass. Ramos plays. Pasok yan. Ramos. And here you go. Team Nueva Era. To the inside. Bounce pass. No look pass. Pinasa pa. Pass off the window. Buti na lang. And number 19 Ramos. Pass to number 55. Natapikan na agaw. Pass break ngayon. Next Santos ay number 90. Easy bucket. And restore. Agaw. Potter. Wala pa rin. It's number 10 to the corner. Nakalset. Oops. Supalpal. And for the inbound. 29. Looking for the receiver. 4-3. Short. Battle for the rebound. Naagaw. Number 16. All the way. Lace. Rebound. Put back of the glass. For the inbound. Number 55 to the middle. To number 9. Ramos. To the corner. 10 seconds shoot. Pass it back. Number 14. Pass on the inside. Number 7. Drives. Far off the window. In a bucket for 2. Pass to number 9. Number 9 to the middle. Bumanga kicks out. Corner for 3. Bang! 3 po. And here you go. Number 2 sa 3. And here's Team Nueva Era. Natapikan po. Naagawin. All alone. Off the glass. Costos. And here's Team Nueva Era. Kinaliwalis. Bucket for 2. And congratulations. Team Banna 66-80.